Give it up. Give it up. Do some other funny things. Why are you funny? Hurry up, because the battery's about to die. Here, can I do something with that in your mouth? What? Put it back in your mouth. Put the key back in your mouth. Now. Whoa. That was extremely funny. God, get my view funny. Next time can I give you? No. Let's see. Here, get the key. Hurry, the battery's about to die. This time don't let go. Oh, da 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 da.